Today, I'll show you how to resize images in Photoshop without losing image quality, a skill that's essential whether you're crafting graphics for web, prepping photos for print, or just tidying up your personal photo library. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to scale images up or down while keeping them crisp, clean, and perfectly proportioned. Let's jump right in with the first technique, using smart objects. Smart objects in Photoshop are a bit like packing your image in a protective case. No matter how much you stretch or shrink that case, what's inside doesn't get damaged. To start, find your image layer in the Layers panel. Just right-click on it and choose Convert to Smart Object. What this does is wrap your image in a layer that protects all its original pixel data. If you ever need to scale your image again, you won't lose quality even if you change your mind several times. Now, to resize, go up to Edit and click Free Transform. You'll notice you can also use the shortcut Ctrl+T if you're on Windows, or CMD+T on a Mac. You'll see handles appear around your image. Here's a tip. While you're dragging the corner handles to resize, hold down the Shift key. That's going to lock the aspect ratio, so your image won't get stretched or skewed in strange ways. Once you're happy with the size, hit Enter to commit the change. Take your time with this step. It's better to gently experiment than rush and end up with an oddly proportioned image. The second method is ideal when you need really precise control over your image dimensions or resolution. Head to Image in the top menu, then click Image Size. This dialog box is a bit like the cockpit of your resizing quest. You can see the pixel dimensions, resolution, and several checkboxes that affect the outcome. Always make sure Constrain Proportions is checked unless you specifically want a distorted look. It keeps everything in proportion as you adjust. Here's an important distinction. If you're making your image smaller, uncheck Resample. This way, Photoshop simply shrinks things down without inventing new pixel data, helping to avoid fuzziness. If you need to scale your image up larger, do the opposite. Check Resample and choose Preserve Details 2.0 from the dropdown. This advanced setting instructs Photoshop to intelligently fill in new pixels and maintain clarity. Enter your new width, height, and resolution values, then click OK to confirm. Remember, resizing up significantly can still lead to some softness, but using Preserve Details gets you the best result Photoshop can offer. Our third method streamlines everything by importing images as smart objects from the very start. If you know you'll be changing an image's size multiple times or want total flexibility, this is the way to go. Grab your image file from your desktop or File Explorer and drag it directly onto your open Photoshop document. Alternatively, go to File and select Place Embedded. This option will also bring your image in as a smart object automatically. The image appears on the canvas surrounded with transform handles ready to be adjusted. Since it's already a smart object, just like in the first method, you can use Free Transform to resize it as many times as you need, with the confidence that your image will stay sharp. And there you go. Now you have 3 reliable methods for resizing images in Photoshop without losing quality. I hope this tutorial helps you keep your designs looking their absolute best, no matter what size you need. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, and if you have any questions or want to share your own resizing tips, just drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials and creative tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.